So wala ka nang hinahawakan na pogo ngayon?
Wala na po, Your Honors.
Ano? Umalis ka lang o tinanggal ka ng mga kliyente mo?
I left, Your Honors.
Why did you leave?
Yun nga po, meron na pong bagong guidelines yung PAGCOR which requires the authorized representative to be as liable as the key officers. And we're not any part of their operations. We don't know what they're doing after. So it's not anymore tenable, Your Honors, to be part of such work.
Alright, going back to sa testimony ni Chairman Al, according to Cassie Leong, binigay sa'yo yung pera. So you deny it na binigay sa'yo yung pera at hindi mo binayad?
Yes, Your Honors. Yung lahat ng naging accountability namin, Your Honors, were properly documented.
Kasi sabi ni Cassandra Ong, binigay daw sa'yo yung pera, pero tinakbo mo rin yung pera. Hindi mo rin binayad.
It's not true, Your Honors.
Ha?
It's not true, Your Honors. Everything that were entrusted to us were properly documented, Your Honors.
How did you know Cassandra Leong? How did you get to know her?
Your Honors, when they were talking to us, Ms. Han Gao introduced her to me as one of the authorized representatives supposed to be. Siya, si Han Gao, yung Charlotte, at saka a certain Shang Ji, yung kanilang chairman. Nung hindi makarating yung Shang Ji, yung chairman nila, dahil nasa Singapore, at that time, masabi nila, ako ang pinalito nila as authorized representative.
How did you know her? Sino nagpakilala sa'yo?
Yung Charlotte Sia po, sir.
Sino si Charlotte Sia? Yung dalawang, yung Porak?
Yeah, hindi, sir. Isa sa Porak po. Tama. Sa Porak po siya na interpreter na apparently when I saw her sign the document, she was the designated president at that time when she was signing documents for Lucky South for their service provider contract.
Kasi nagtataka ko, bakit bigla ka pumasok dito sa Pogo industry? Bakit naging masyadong attractive ko dito sa mga Pogo industry?
We were not really attracted, sir. What happened is we were looking for an office in Angeles at that time because we have a client who wanted us to help them with their cityhood campaign in Central Luzon. So maganda pong area, taga Pampanga rin po ako, magandang area ng Angeles for our operations. And then, itong mga to, inintroduce amin na investor nga po doon sa area kung saan kami tumitingin ng office, sa Porak. At sabi, they're looking for somebody who can help them work on things. So, doon ako nag-umpisa yun, sir.
Okay, during the duration ng ikaw ang consultant dito mga Pogo na ito, was there a time na nakapag-negotiate ka, nakapag-bargain ka sa PAGCOR, halimbawa?
No, sir. I didn't even have any chance to go to...
Kasi kailangan ng lisensya ng PAGCOR. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Wala ka bang kinakausap ng tiga-PAGCOR?
OGLD lang po yung
expedite yung lisensya ng
wala ko kaming ganun, Your Honors. Kasi, ang kausap lang ko namin nun, security guard. Pag may kailangan kaming hingin na documents na nakukuha namin sa baba. Sa
security guard?
Yes, Your Honors. Doon nila iniwan. Para OGLD lang po yung kausap namin.
Bakit security guard?
Hindi, iniiwan mo nila sa security guard, Your Honors. Kasi may pandemic nun. Bawal pumanik sa mga offices ng PAGCOR. So, doon sa security guard sa baba, doon namin nire-receive lahat ng documents. So, doon din namin po pinapareceive yung mga documents.
Alright. Aware ka ba sa mga kasong final against you ng CIDG, ng PAO?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the status of cases?
We're waiting. We just received the complaint, Your Honor, and we're working on our affidavit on it.
Why do you think that they filed the cases against you?
There was, actually, Your Honor, there was no allegation there. It was just mentioned that I was an authorized representative.
Alright.
Mr. Chair, wala bang pending na kaso against Mr. Cunanan? Kasi alam ko meron din dating ban, hindi siya makaalis ng bansa. So, resolved na ba yun?
They're still ongoing, Madam Senator.
So, are you helping in a capacity as a lawyer, as a liaison to all of these companies? Are you a lawyer, sir?
No, Your Honor.
So ba't opisina mo nilapitan para
Hindi ho nilapitan, Your Honor. Nagkatagpo kami ho dun sa lugar kung saan kami naghahanap ng office. Tapos nandun din sila, doon sila nag-invest.
So, is your company a realty company? Is it a consulting company?
Consulting company, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what?
Consulting po. Consulting company.
So, it seems like you tend to attract certain mindset and group of individuals. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Senator Grace. Mr. Cunanan, are you the same Dennis Cunanan who was a former TLRC Director General?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have been sentenced by the Sandigan Bayan for graft to 10 to 18 years for malversation.
We have, Your Honors, which is still pending in the Supreme Court right now, but we have more acquittals that came out, Your Honors.
Excuse me?
We have more acquittals, Your Honors.
You were acquitted? You were
Yes, sir.
convicted?
Meron po conviction at may acquittal. May 9 acquittals po, Your Honors.
Because, I cannot forget you. Alam mo bakit? During the time, or when I was my second term as senator, when I was already embattled, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing, and you were present there. I remember. very vividly. And you told that committee that to say, I'm sorry, this is off topic already. Inaano ko lang yung credibility ditong taong ito.
Alright, SP Pro Tem.
At sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. And nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para dun mo ilagay yung pondo ko. I have never called you and I do not know you from Adam. At ang sinabi mo rin sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko. Apakasinungaling mo. Naalala mo yun? Naalala mo yung sinabi mo? Na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko? Hindi naman kita kilala, hindi naman kita tinawagan? Naalala mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tinawagan ba kita?
If I can recall at that
You
time,
just
Your
saved
Honor.
your skin.
No, Your Honor. If I can recall at that time, it was Ben Hurlo who called, not me.
It was?
It was Ben Hurlo, Your Honor, not me.
You said before that committee that it was my voice. You assumed that it was my voice. Kaya hindi kita makalimutan eh. Napakasinungaling mo. Sorry for bringing this up, Madam Chair. Tinetest ko lang yung credibility dito tao to eh.
It's alright, SP Pro Tem. Salamat po. We really want to get to the bottom of your involvement in this, Mr. Cunanan. Itong usapin ng POGOs. Noong 2020, nabanggit ang pangalan nyo bilang authorized representative nga ng Hongsheng Gaming Corporation. In a letter to PAGCOR dated September 10, 2020, and as authorized representative of Lucky South 99 in another letter to PAGCOR dated October 20, 2020. So, kayo po actually ang pinakamalinaw na link sa dalawang kumpanyang ito. So, simula po tayo sa Hongsheng. Aside from what you've already told the committee, paano po kayo na-involved sa Hongsheng and who exactly po ang nag-recruit sa inyo?
Madam Chair, sometime August